I mean, I started as a freelancer after my corporate life, no?
Yes, yes,
So from freelancer to founder, the journey was really interesting, adventurous, as well as,
yes,
it's like adaptability with the latest tools. So
yes,
I've not when I hire people from various industries, I do not prefer only the skills, the adaptability. I also look out for adaptability
yes.
and their decision making skills. So we can get a lot of information from outside, but
Right.
one action will actually, only if we implement that, we will bear the fruits actually.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
that is what I actually look out for. I've hired a lot of newcomers too, new to the field. I've just
Gen
gave
Z
them
you
the
were talking
space to
about.
learn, grow along with me. That's it.